Okay guys, in this video we're going to be doing a cable bicep curl. So in this case, we just have a single handle. We're going to make sure our weight is appropriate by simply placing the pin in here. Make sure it's all the way in. We're going to take a step off, have a staggered stance with it, and we're going to keep our torso nice and tall. And I'm going to lean slightly forward to it to create a nice perpendicular angle. And then keep my arm down, I elbow wrap it, and then I'm curling up as if I'm trying to put it to my cheek. Exhale as you come up. And then control it on the way down.
If you want to see more workout videos that include a PDF that you can download, take to the gym with you, print off. If you want more fit foods, basically a recipe book, if you will, of what you can do to both satisfy the palate, but also help with your recovery and efforts in the gym. More vlogs, very similar to this, but in a more organized, broken down fashion that you can go step by step and really get the most out of it in an organized way. And basically, taking you from your fitness of A all the way through Z, giving you your blueprint fitness plan to get from beginner to intermediate to advanced, and anything in between. So check out davidtoddmiller.com for that. And if you guys have any questions, comments, put them in the comments below. Feel free to reach out at info@davidtoddmiller.com. And as always, have fun, work hard, and I'll catch you in the next video.